welcome back to day 57 of 100 social media tips. Let's make social media as easy for you as possible by scheduling out your posts to be auto-published on TikTok. I don't think anyone knew that you could schedule out your posts to be auto-published, so let me just show you how easy it is to do that on TikTok. First, what you have to do is actually log onto TikTok on your desktop. Unfortunately, you can't do this on your phone. So we go straight into upload here and start uploading our video. We can then add the description here. Unfortunately, you can't copy and paste just a bunch of hashtags and put it in. It won't be counted as a hashtag and will be counted as a description. For example, let me just do it like this. Anime TikTok, tattoo designs, tattoo ideas, okay? And let's just say I copy this over. You can see that it isn't bolded out and has been selected as a hashtag, and instead when you post it, it will just only be recognized as a description and won't be a clickable hashtag. So I recommend that you type each one individually in and then selecting or just making sure it is linked properly. So I've selected my description, I picked my cover photo, and then what you want to do is click schedule. First, what you want to do is select the time, and I'm going to pick, just say 3:30, but because that is today, I'm going to change it for the date I actually want it to be posted, so that's a 12. And then you don't want to click save draft, because if you click save draft, you can only publish as is. You can't schedule it to be auto-published. And then we click schedule, and then there you go, that's it. What you can do is then manage your post, and then you can see all the videos that you have scheduled to be auto-published. Unfortunately, you can't go back and edit your post if you want to change something. So say you want to change the caption or what time you want to post it, you will have to delete it and then start again and upload it and add your captions accordingly. Unfortunately, you can't just edit it after you've already posted. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.